Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well, blessed love, good day, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. So, welcome guys to Kina Life in Jamaica. Blessed love to all my returning subscribers, and blessings to all and each and everyone that put the thumbs up or who even subscribe. You know, thank you so much. And for who haven't subscribed as yet, please remember to subscribe. And please don't forget to check out a Keynote Vivo, which is my music channel, you know, which is the music video is pending, you know, waiting to be released, and that music channel, which is a Keynote Vivo, you know guys. So thank each and everyone that subscribed already, you know, we thank them so much that there was a single track on it, and we thank each and one of you guys that put the thumbs up and give that listen to that song, you know. Thank you for the positive feedback in the comments as well too. So yes guys, so today it's a WAF day again, you know. Today is a collection day, and today I'm collecting from country, you know, from White Plains Road, you know, 2 bags from country from White Plains Road. So today I'm literally heading towards the big WAF, you know. So that's a Dennis shipping. So today that's the big WAF. So you know that's going to be more hectic. So I'm looking forward, you know. It's not like I'm creating it, but I'm looking what's going to happen, you know. So let's see if I can literally come out early, which is, I know I'm not going to come out early, you know. That's just WAF. WAF is just what it is. If you're lucky, you're lucky, but let's pray that I'm lucky, you know. So them say it's good to be lucky, so I hope I'm lucky today. Yes guys, so remember, please, thank you so much, you know, for continuing supporting this program. I remember, please, to give a thumbs up. If you reach this far you're watching, please remember to give the thumbs up, you know. So thank you so much. So let's head into the big logistic building, you know, and that's where we're going to see what's going to happen. So first I'm heading into the wharf right now, direction of the wharf, you know. I'm on the back road, you know, driving on the back road, heading into wharf, you know. As you can see, hold on, it's a bit of sunlight. So I'm at the traffic light right now. I'm at the traffic light. So I'll catch you back as soon as I park up and I get out of the vehicle. Then this is where I go on, and I'll take in my journey to see how stressful it is today. It's not like I'm speaking into being, you know. Sometimes I try to manifest something different for it to not happen, but boy, WAF is just WAF. You know, and when them say Jamaica is just Jamaica. Jamaica is not an easy place. It's not a normal place. You know, they tend to like to go backwards. They do things backwards. So that's one of the things I did have to accept, you know, and get adapt to in Jamaica. Things do go backwards, you know. So I did have to get adapted to that, you know. And there's no say, yo, it is just Jamaica. It is what it is, you know. It is what it is. So see you now. Alright guys, I just parked up all the way up the road because it seems like down here is busy today. It's really a busy day, and there's a lot of cars. There's a lot of cars down here, and I see police doing some checks. I'm general. What am I check for? I see police doing some checks, like they're checking the containers that sell food. So I don't know why they're checking. But they're doing some checks. As you can see behind me, there's a police jeep, but they're doing some checks in the food containers. Who's selling food, you know? I don't know, probably looking for paperwork or whatsoever to see them certified to sell food. So yeah man, this is what WAF looks like today. Busy all day, cars everywhere, at the parking on the street, and all of this. Yeah, so you know, today's not a normal day down here, you know, in this morning, yeah. But I'm prepared and I'm ready, you know. So once I'm prepared and I'm ready, I put those take it on. Yeah, manners man, big up.
Bro.
Cool, no?
Been good.
Yeah, we say available today.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man. You have a number?
Give me back the number there.
I want to go on YouTube and see if you don't laugh. I say, bad boy. Bad boy is a really bossy thing.
Cool, man. I'm going to collect $2.
Oh, $2?
Yeah.
Got same charges?
Yeah.
I'm careful.
Oh, you have a card?
I can't look for it. You just get a girl again. More than 1 month. I was traveling more than 1 month.
Okay. I'm going to show it to you and get through the process.
Alright, cool.
Yeah? Alright then, big up. Cool, man. Man in general. Alright guys, so yeah man. I'm going to get a smoothie over there as well. It was here, this juice truck that always outside the wharf. You know, that do smoothies and then thing there. Man as my general. No jelly water? The sun is hot in Jamaica here, boy, when I lie. Alright. So this is the building over here. The big building. Artist. So here's the brand that I always sell the smoothie. You get a fruit one. Let's look at it. Let me get one of the fruit smoothie now. Yeah. Much is. So guys, so here's where I get my natural smoothie whenever I'm here. Fruits or oats, you name it, peanuts, anyone. So now I'm getting the fruit one to start off today. You know the warp is a busy day. Big up yourself. So this one always outside across the blue logistic building. So I'm always there, easy to find. Now that the sun is hot. See there? Truly. Give thanks, yeah? One more suntan me you want. Now Jamaica me live. You want to know one more suntan me you want. The video, we're not allowed the video in the building, but last time Dennis will give me a blind and sorry and go on promote the thing for me, you know. So hopefully that man is there. But give me the blind again today. So this is my breakfast. This is my breakfast. Just going to man, remember one long time when time I tell about Jamaica good life, one long time in the video road on the side.
Oh, on a bird 7.
Yeah, I would talk about Jamaica good life.
Yeah, true.
Good couple years now, about 4 or 5 years now.
Yeah. Before Corona that one.
Yeah.
Before Corona.
I think in a Corona time.
In a Corona time? About that.
Yeah, we're around there. So.
Yeah, I run a bird 7, man. Yes, 95.
Yeah, good man. I would talk about Jamaica good life. Yeah.
I need to shoot some video around there, so.
And the donut man. Remember the donut man?
Yeah.
Come to him.
Him there about still, you know, but it's a bike him a ride, you know. And thing.
Him still sell donut?
Yes, yeah, him still a sell
Donut, man. Hey, he was a joke.
Yeah, him say fresh.
Yeah.
I say fresh.
Fresh donut.
Yeah, fresh donut.
Forgot what he used to say. He must have sample still.
Right.
So still come on here, Seven? Him still come on here?
No, him not still come on, but him have a bike where him ride go to front of that place. Are you make that pendant then?
Which one? This?
Yeah.
No, overseas no.
Overseas, my check side.
It's a clear quartz stone.
Talk was you make it, you know?
You notice you still make your wallet and sell them same man. You're still selling your wallets?
Yeah. You
never stop.
Yes,
Big up, man.
King. All the best, man. You come process a look at thing them here, so. Okay.
So something I come collect now, hopefully you don't take me the whole day.
Okay.
You know it's a whole day thing.
What time you come here? You come here 5 o'clock, you get too early.
5 o'clock? In the evening?
Yeah, people there from 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock.
So I say if I come later on in the evening?
Early, but if you come late, you're not going to tell
okay.
3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, them hours there. You understand?
Yeah.
Because you have to go through a split for procedure.
Yeah. And it look like you're busy down here as well too.
You're not really busy, because you find, say, on a whole heap of crowd, my general. One time I say
a whole heap of car.
Last year better, but you get through still.
Yeah.
Last year better because you find the last year a whole heap of crowd. Last year Christmas, September, a whole heap of crowd.
Yeah.
No, I don't see no crowd down here. It's down empty. The worst, you hear your worst, and I tell them, Jack, everybody about. Play slow.
So that means I will get through quick then.
Yeah, man.
Alright, then that's what I pray for.
Yeah, man. Let's go and see my journey. God with you. Yeah, man. Love and strength. Yeah. Always. Father, always there with you.
Every time.
Yeah, man. Protection. Good over evil.
All the time.
Life over. Girls over gun.
Alright. That is the main thing. Girls over gun.
Girls over gun.
Of course, and that is it for you.
Yeah.
We can't put gun over girls.
No.
Let her go.
No. Live your life. Girls over gun.
Of course.
You make sure I tell everybody, All Babylon me tell to,
So the Babylon will put on for you gun.
Gun too. I look bully for girls.
Well, where the country I come to.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
Protection.
Yeah. I hear everyone has said the place slow. So that means I will get through quick. So they're putting through the process. I'm just here waiting. So I'm having some some of the sip. This sip is so good, a lot of energy and wow. So hopefully the place is slow and I can get through quick and fast. So in this room that I'm at, it's not so busy. But yes, it's not the case. The case is downstairs when they look for the stuff and all the things, So let's see. So this sip will carry me through the day. See? It's not so busy. 2 person plus me 3. But downstairs a different story. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm out the building. So I got the paperwork now. So I'm literally out the building from there. So now I'm going into the main entrance. Alright guys, so here right now, so I finished with the second payment. So now I'm waiting to go for them to call my name so I can go and check the boxes. And then after the boxes now, the customer will do their checks, and then I will do another payment, and then I will literally out of here. But that takes time as well too. So not knowing how long it's gonna take, as I say, the place is not busy, but you cannot watch that. You cannot watch if it's not busy or not, because things will still take time. Even though it's a bit slow. So there's a couple of people in here. It's a couple of people in here, but not as much. But so hopefully can get through early. So I'm just here waiting to hear my name called. So that's what I'm gonna go check what's the box with the custom. And then the customer will go and do the survey and what's inside of it. And then they can do their duties on it from there. And do that payment, then get the gate pass, and then go and get the driver to bring them. So I guess it's probably one of those commercial box. So.
Richard Allison. Roy Davis.
Yeah. 3rd Street, may I go?
3rd Street, yeah. The paper.
Alright guys, so I'm waiting for the box to come out. Here is the vehicle that I'm using, this van that I'm using, so to carry the box. So you see, it's not so busy today, so I cannot complain. So because I never stay too long, so I cannot complain. The least I do is 3 hours, and 3 hours at wharf is not a bad idea at all. When you do 3 hours here, hey, you have to praise the Lord. When you come here and do 3 hours, you have to say amen. 3 hours at the big wharf. That's how business kind of gets slow right now. So yeah, I'm thankful. Never spend like 6 hours down here. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for them to bring out the goods so we can go. So this is coming from country. Country from White Plains Road, in the Bronx. It goes already, so we give thanks. So yes, okay. Tell the man say go put in another one.
Back with the protein and vitamins, 4 points for Bombers Beat to stay on top of the game and go for goals. Now available in a new exciting flavor, strawberry.
Alright guys, so I got my goods. I got the boxes them now and everything. So, I almost left my vehicle again because I jumped in the van and I think like I didn't drive. But at least I never drive off. So my vehicle is here. So I'm gonna get in my vehicle and he's gonna drive behind me. Yeah, so at least when we get that out of the way, so we give thanks and big up yourself, country. It's nothing but love and love alone. So blessed love guys. We're gonna head into Trenchtown now and get this thing out of the way. Other one here.
Take off the top one. Go for that.
I reckon on Sunday. I reckon on Monday. I reckon Tuesday.
two sides there, yeah.
Stick it out, Tagog, man. Stick it out. Yeah. Let's turn inside here. Turn inside here. Yeah. You don't sleep, Bobin? See the sleep on your face. No, no. You have to go up the road and turn right, because I'm at the road work up there. Go up, you go up on this one. You go up on this one. Come on. Alright, pull it. Keep rocket seeing. Right in the way up. The door for the lock. Right. Can I lock now? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. What are you supposed to have a go? You go pick them over them. Nobody have to move to. Yeah. Come on, hold on. Nobody force it. Pull it up by the cool. Force me by the handle. Yeah. Pull it out, look at it. I'm gonna come out. Yes. So we'll bring that box to come in here, so come.
Check it first.
I'll get another one. Yeah, wait there. Okay. So I go put, let's say now we're going to look at the box that will come. We have put out everything. And give her for give her that same day. When I bring back you nothing. Just put them out there so. And just give out. I want him a rat shit them. Underpad. What is so? Them are real get them. The cover there, pass the cover. Rampant PS3 this season, you know.
You have them tickets still, beat them already, man, them come beat you and I come out here.
Good day. Something to the riches now, man.
Why? One day.
Alright, not today. Who is that car my phone? Ayo. What go on? Hold on. Tamaria, move. Always I play a game. Go on. Always playing game. FIFA. See the our Champion League football. See the our Champion League football, the real football like you know. No, not our football like one on TV. Okay. So everything good though. Today I bring some of the line of them for you. Yeah. Couple of them well. I say the run out, right? I want to see one, but I want to put like I want sheet one like.
This is a sheet.
But the same thing.
Yeah, sheet and put.
Underpad, same thing. Underpad. I'll bring them one day. How much food is there, Pam? I'll put the power one. It's still out, same man. So everything go with you? Health-wise? Or health-wise and everything?
Pressure, not
Pressure?
Yeah. Pressure go low upon me, you know, so when the pressure go low, kill that will be killing me.
So you don't have nothing where you test the pressure?
No, I'm not giving a pressure machine. I'm with the sugar machine.
And the sugar machine. And the one in the car. Jackson. The one in the car. The same one you have. Let me say for the pressure one there. Just press
the one
this
when you push it strip in. When you push it strip in.
I don't know if I strip. I'm going to go for you.
For the one when you push it strip in, that's the sugar machine.
When you come with it. I think the pressure machine that one there.
I admit the hospital for the 7 days, you know?
Oh, for a week you admit for?
Yeah. Come out of hospital, and look and see the thing in the kitchen.
Yeah?
I said, come out of hospital, look and see the thing in the kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen.
Is it, remember I was jar kitchen this, you know? But they make up the something where they are so.
Okay.
I see them turn around, but they tell me say me never get the room, you see me, but in the kitchen you don't fix up.
It's in here so?
Yeah, but I say in here say you don't fix up because in here that leak. But the whole over this leak there. The whole over this
over there is a leak.
From the post from the post to the iron right there. And over this right this, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah, so me that tell them, some of that say they to the way to when they come out, they do that. And then me I say, for them do that when me in the hospital and come in the hospital. Everything kind of shock to me, but now they get me as a car, me never in the hospital. I tell them say you can't push the thing them in here so.
Yeah.
Like that the roof and fix and then make the thing there. Get me as a car. My mama now wow.
Yeah.
You know I can't go in and something like leak. You get me as a?
Yeah.
So me that tell them say when you fix it up, I come in because around here so much more bigger than in there so me there. You get me say?
Oh, so basically you say you go to hospital.
Yeah.
You go to hospital and come back and you find the stuff them right around yourself in the kitchen. Oh, so nobody never make you aware of it?
But then you done, you tell me say they come around here.
Them tell you say you come around here so?
Yeah, then you tell me but round here, as I say round here that leak. So I not expect to see them I just push my thing them in round here.
And it not fix?
And it not fix up, no not all. So I say them I go fix it and let them push my thing them round here. They say but them do that when I there at hospital when I come from hospital and come see everything.
A big surprise again.
Yeah, when the rain was falling, the whole line here went up. I just right here so I there now
So the whole line is innocent leak?
Whole line is right as I said to the car, I just right here so I'm dead there. And my cousin, but then him and fear help me when the rain fall the whole night. You know? My fear stay up with me and empty water and then we put in there. You get me I said bro.
So that you said bucket.
And the hottest thing to report a zinc topper, you know, this when the time and the sun start beat through the zinc. You know, come like over there and you smell the pressure and sugar.
Yeah.
So that not good for me now either. You get me I should say that the all kind of knock me out. So everything is
come down.
You get me I should say Kina. And when me come out of the hospital, me just feel so away bro. I come see my thing then. I think till me and my auntie are kick off about it bro.
Oh, see.
You see me big in an argument and then thing an issue me never want in an argument nowadays when me knock out in here and she can't go to hospital. You get me I say if I never she and her son me that like who they are son.
Yeah, that probably
I talk to me bro. Because yesterday I go change all the people bag and when I reach the hospital and I change the people. Me when I nurse I say to me say yo, you make it out? So me I say, we are talk about make it out, you see me? So when she say that now it kind of puzzle me Kina. So when the doctor know while look out for me while change the people bag, me I say to her, I say when I nurse them say if I make it out. So she said to me, oh, are you come down here, the stop there? And she has, and me I say, yeah, you know, and she turned to me and said, you know, so me look over you. And she said, me the fight off the doctor and come, me not even know what me I do.
Never aware of
no, she said, me a fight off the doctor, them are unconscious. Them have to tie me up Kina, because where the pressure knock me up, me not even know what me I do. And then me hear she said to me, say, Kina, you know, say you're lucky. You're lucky because your pressure is so low, you know, say you're for dead.
What she say?
Yeah. But she said when she write me up, she said to my auntie, my auntie said, she don't know if me ever make it out on the ward.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. When me go to hospital now, you see, that's why the nurse has said that to me. That's why the nurse has said that to me, said, you make it out.
Good evening.
Yeah, evening.
You get what I say? So that kind of shocked me. When she said that. You hear me? I say,
that means that low.
That is when the pressure low, you know, that are danger one, you know. More than when it high, you know. So when it low, it's a pronounce attack, a pronounce. But me never know, okay. You know, so 3 days I'm there in a sick and never know, so I catch a bad infection. I just one morning I'm there and I just feel myself a chin, they never call my cousin, they said when I just call time to go call a taxi. So by the time I come back in
fast.
Not even know when I reach hospital. I wake up at hospital unconscious, you know. When I wake up, they ask me who that in front of me. It took me a while
So you recognize that? Oh, okay.
Take me a while for me recognize her when I kind of revive back. My sister, she, she dey for lie down and take some rest. But when me dey lie down, unconscious, please, kind of dizzy said way for me, you hear me?
That's how the blood pressure?
Yeah, my pressure. Pressure goes so low, bro. You know how I make that go so low, but at the infection the doctor said what me catch.
Oh, the infection?
Yeah, she said me catch a serious infection. I mean, I take it right, bro. But as I say, I never know. I never either eat still, you know. Never either eat. I just say that drink. Anything when I eat, I bring it up back. But I drink the soup and everything, but just when I eat the rice, I bring it up back, so but I not take it seriously, you know.
Because the rice no good, you need that kind of starch. You know?
Sometimes I say to me, I have to stop me on rice.
Yeah, you have to.
Stop me on rice and just feed for soup and porridge and ground food, banana and them things, I try.
I was thinking with the pressure, you know, and true, I'm say if you can't walk, you like kind of help yourself.
And that liquid don't make you weak in your body, bro. Come out my body and my mind, bro.
Weak out.
Yeah, that weak. Sometimes I want to stretch it something, but my stretch feet so I'm tired. And them things never usually reach me. Right time I do it with 2 push-up.
Yeah.
And then God give you.
Going bad, man.
But as I said, I see if me in it down, you know, could have helped me the roof, come on, really get this kind of side out and them things, they get me, I said, because the whole over there, as I said, Kina from the post right there, so, to the iron there, the whole of this,
the iron there?
Yeah, the whole of this, I have a manual round on the back part right there, so I want to block up.
Okay.
So sometimes the rat come through it, you know, the feelings, so the feel all come on the bed.
Yeah.
Bite me and everything. So someone try to get rid of them things the fast.
Right, eh? So get to that one. Because I said, the same thing that happened to Ginger as well, too, you know. When Ginger used to sit up on the bed, she could feel the rat come biting on him foot.
So I have tried previous, so I try make case and try to get the start.
Oh, so we don't want stop leak. How you want to stop leak fix it?
The whole of this, the stop leak, the whole of this from the iron coming over, over right there, so.
Oh, yeah, so?
Yeah, right there, so the pool, it's like windshield.
Yeah.
The Rasta man stop, man.
Yeah, so?
Yeah. What do you them fix up? What do you them fix up right there? See them fix up over this on concrete.
Oh, this can't see just
slab over this already.
at the next door.
Yeah, look right there.
Okay, yeah.
Them below it slab it so them kind of dig out the wall with one. Yeah, but it come like the real water when the water going. Run down.
Alright, run down. On the wall also. Because this thing them not look bad still, so I probably stop leaking I want. You know.
I say here, see I saw my bed there.
Yeah.
No, I leave there. Everywhere else. Everywhere else you can find. It depends listen that one. If it depends listen the woman also over the game shop that she do, you know. And then use it and weld it here. So that me that try get but that kind of do them as a 12,000 feet, isn't it?
Oh. And a woman try it that one as well too, because you know.
As a boom say the whole right there, sir. Cross and from this I come down to the sun. Yeah. And then I go to some solid takes and this solid takes off the top. Ease off the heat, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, because she was rising, so when the sun touch this.
And let's get some paint now and let's paint it back in. And I place another cut down the iron now. Because this now no use, you know.
Oh, that no use?
Yeah, so I'm going to cut it from it down to the ground and block it up. And build a cement, build a manual cover it for round this one.
Yeah.
And just put that over it. You get what I say? Like that now I use.
Oh, it's a manual right here, so with the iron there.
Yeah, that connect to the manual.
So they bring the scent up in the air.
But to the manual I cover, maybe use piece of board and cover it, so sometimes in the kind of smell I will go.
To the manual.
So when I show you say in there, we do have some fixing the floor. Then push the things in there, get the man like if me there in there, if me never admit it, then put it with this.
Yeah.
I said, you may have to wait.
Because when I tell you, they tell me, say you don't go, you don't go move.
You have to move.
So you never bother, why you never bother move?
I look at things go down. Like, my brother for do something and go there, go start it out. So at that time I fuck up my plan, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, back to square one again.
Yeah. So that's why I'm short up. That's why I'm short up for what you do. Try to get this started. You get what I'm saying? I'm going to plan for a black yesterday. So I go see people I walk through my house because my family I take a room. So right there, so you see me out behind the fridge.
Yeah.
I build a doorway right there, so I'm block the wall right there, so nobody can walk through.
So I block the wall of this?
I block right there, so.
Okay.
Right there, so I use the dry wall.
Okay, yeah.
Block it come across. So right there, so I'm out. This is going to be a doorway. This is going to be a doorway.
Alright, so.
Yeah, so. Me that's something I'm going to try to get some dry wire from block from right there, so come right back to right there, so now I go away. So when my family going to walk, I'll be trying to do a walking space.
Oh, so now for you walk through yourself.
Mine, because yes, I'm just married.
Space, yeah.
That me I try start yeah. I don't say I'm signal when I try to do everything,
Yeah.
So I need a little strength, you get what I say? Kind of rough there. Kind of rough now. Alright, now day I start talk to you, I feel sick out there. Feel weak out there. You see them get the antibiotic when you start taking food, you get me, you see them?
Yeah. Alright, so
they are going to hold it and not go and fight it, bro. Don't reach a far away if you can't give up, bro. But as when I show you, so the doctors tell me, they kind of shoot me, bro.
Yeah,
the doctor tell me,
almost.
say, almost give way, bro. That kind of shit me up to you, so that whole day you say me all a think about it, bro. I say, I saw me really sick bad.
sure. Come like on your time, you know.
I say, the second time this happened to me. When I'm there in the hospital, my sugar knocked me out completely already, you know.
Yeah.
In the hospital, you know. I know my pressure come knock me out. So as I say, at the second time this year.
Yeah. So before they get shot, you never have them problem there?
No, I never have pressure or sugar.
Or since after you get the gunshot?
Yeah, all of them sickness them start taking me out. When me never get shot, me never sick no time. Me not even go to hospital. Strong heart, bro. But if I get the shot, I'll be a sickness.
Yeah, sickness. Yeah.
I have to just go
I say, I'm say, alright guys, so most of the new viewers then that new to my channel, you know, this is Damari here, you know, and Damari been on the program now for a good little while, and then he's bedridden, you know, because of an accident that took place that he got gunshot, you know, and he's paralyzed. Well, I'm paralyzed, right?
I'm paralyzed, huh? Yeah, I'm paralyzed from my chest go down.
From chest go down.
My chest go down. Paralyzed, but sometimes I have a lot of spasm in my foot there. I move around, and while I'm there, doctor, I tell the doctor so I feel a lot of burning sensation.
In your foot?
Yes, I must say a good sign that for me, you know. I must say, when my nerve reconnect.
Nerve
was damaged, I try to connect to my spine, so That's why I feel a lot of burning sensation.
Oh.
So I say a good sign that. But one thing I just need to go therapy. So what I do, I tell them to sign up a therapy farm for me. But I tell them say when me want to sign up a monorail, but I tell them say that take too much out of me, the bus and them. So I tell them say to sign up from down there. But if I come out of the hospital, I go back down there. I'm going to say my week. But what me have to do, I have to them to do this set date and them.
For you.
Soon as I get the strength, I can move around by myself. I go do what I have to do that. Kind of weak now.
Yes, guys. As we say, he was in an accident. He got shot. On the night, his baby mom got shot as well too, and she passed away. So he was the one that survived. Well, I don't know if I say, more time watch a court bomb start come, but I never like talk about it. God, when I say, when he get shot, his baby mom passed away, but he survived. He survived, and she never make it. And my son, they might take care of her as well too. And
yeah, business, so my son passed excess.
He passed excess. So that means I go on good then in school. And that's good. So yeah, I think the son passed for excess as well, so that's what make him paralyzed and can't help himself, and that's like what, 4 or 5 years now since it happened? 5 years now, going 6 since it happened. And so from then to now, this is the situation right now where you see my face, so it's a really heartfelt moment for him and where he must really deal with right now. So because of the situation of that, he can't really do much for help himself. Been trying to do his best, so they can't hear him plead. He's asking for any help at all. Where he can get. If at least we try to, stop the leak whenever it rain. I'm saying he can get some Salitex. Where he can use, to keep the heat off the house top because it's zinc. So anything where you guys can contribute towards, would be helpful. When can help a situation, as I explain the story of what take place when we went inside the hospital. So we only can see what we can do, and try to encourage him, because we the faith same way, one day things can get better. And we have hope. One day we'll definitely walk again because they have signals say yes. We might feel the burning, which is the nerve. I try to connect back to the spine, and that's a good sign. Also, so that's a hope and pray. So if anyone want to reach out, want to give him a strength, to get some Salitex, and get some, what the thing with him? Up on the house top? Next name. Like tar, right?
The right one, listen house.
Roof compound? On the roof?
Listen house up, right, the other side.
At the roof compound you talk?
Yeah, something like that.
Roof compound. Yeah, and say what, 12,000 for one?
Yeah, sheet.
Oh, it's a sheet.
I don't know how it's saying, but it's a thing when they wear.
It's like tar. So that means that at the eat them that you go say and eat it. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, think you have to go. You have to go
okay.
pay workman to do all of that.
Yeah, so that will get workman as well too. Alright then, so we just hope and pray if anyone can send the blessings, so guys, you hear the plea and you see the situation and see what is going through, so anything you guys can do to help, we really appreciate it because the situation we may go through is really tough. So we've been trying our best, we give thanks for the support that we've been getting, also from the Sunrise team, towards as well too. But he's at a stage right now where we need some more support, of moving forward because of where he is now and all my feel also, so and the machine there, Mr. One. Another one you have? Yeah, that's this is
That's about the pressure.
Yeah, blood pressure monitor this.
No, and one you stick yourself.
Yeah, stick yourself.
Put the strip. Blood pressure machine. Blood pressure machine.
So this is the one you don't want?
Yeah. Because we don't have the sugar machine.
Oh, so this is the one. You know for deal with this?
I tell us I don't know.
That's supposed to have with me night. Well, you can, as I say, YouTube teach a lot of stuff and see how the
So the something when you put around your arm.
So this are the you can get information from. Or you can type it in on YouTube, you know, and then can tell you how it works.
This plug in or something.
Yeah, so this plug in and
This blow it up.
Battery there for nothing.
And this plug in on this.
And put a battery on.
Put the battery like you just test it and go up. At
This me know.
Yeah, man.
This is the one.
Yeah, man.
You know, for some reason, Jackson, you know what I say, my intention, I just take it out for some reason, I never in my plan for you.
Yeah, so go on.
You see me?
Yeah,
I just take it out, you know, guys, kind of.
Check my pressure.
I was looking for the underpads, you know, to bring to come give him. And then I see it, and for some reason my mind I say, yo, take it out, you know, and bring it. I end up take it out and bring it. So even when Jackson take it out, I said, no, Jackson, make that stay. I will still bring it in the car and see man, I tell me said that's the one that you did need, you know. So you say it works sometimes. The intuition are telling us, say, yo, bring that, do that. Yeah.
That's a cute old phone. It's amazing.
Well, you have to just know the readings from when it's low and from when it's high.
Who's your now?
Yes.
Pull out this. Wrap it around. Wrap it tight. Hold it. Wrap it your knuckle.
Just wrap it tight.
And it's stiff. Hold it. It can blow up by itself, you know, just wrap it. No, nothing to start.
Attention. Silent and relax. Keep the cuff and partner. Attention.
What is it?
Silent and relax. Keep the cuff at heart level. Start measurement now.
You say keep the cuff at what? It said, oh, it has that.
That blow up.
So you have to keep your hand steady.
That blow up. Gotta get tight for mom.
Area measurement. 4.
Yeah, you're gonna set good.
I'm not sure.
Push it around.
No, that have the extension. I know, in here you must put your hand on.
Oh,
Yeah, in here you must put your hand.
and then dry it
And then draw this.
and tape it.
Fix it good, fix it good.
It have to go up to my muscle, because up to my muscle then always put it. Yeah, right this way. And then after that, just again put it.
Yeah.
And then turn it on and back. Start it back.
Just feel it now. See that read better there. Should be hard.
When it's done, it have a show. Push it for stay at 180. When it over 180, high.
Oh,
Solid blood
yeah,
pressure.
126.
Kind of look a bit high. I feel the 180, isn't it?
180 it's supposed to there?
Yeah.
So when they're 126, right?
Yeah. Kinda look high but it normal, you get me I say?
Okay. That's
The
it.
body pressure for the 180.
So this is 126 and the DIA one with the 82 that hour. And then your pulse the 98. But you know you could have do as I say, you could have Google YouTube it, type it in on YouTube, you know, how to read the pressure machine, you know, it can tell you. You can type in the brand as well too, you know, how to read it. It gone down what?
Yeah. When it once it read, you know, it gone back down. Yeah, once it read. This some like this is 1 hour long, you know, the sugar machine. And just for father God machine.
Yeah, so father God work.
Whenever I carry it and you see?
Yeah. One man, so that's brilliant. This is what they get from the Sunrise team.
You get last time you get another one, but that one where you I'm gonna tell you some I don't know for read that one.
Oh.
Remember?
Yeah. And the one that's coming right in and look at that. That's how Father God works. So as I said, just YouTube it and get some information. You can just read the thing and tell about the readings where you go on. Yeah? That is good. So with at least now you can keep monitor.
Pressure.
Yeah.
I know so I want to higher and
lower. So you can move.
I come and check the sugar on the way.
Yeah.
I use a medium 60% when I get me another needle, you know. Regular needle where you use and some I know I get that.
Okay.
Sometimes I have to use all a needle.
A needle and stick it.
So the different blood just can squeeze on the strip.
Yeah.
Put in the machine.
To get the readings.
You get me saying?
Alright then, so we'll keep everything, you know, in prayers. You know, I'm saying hope something can come from this. You know, so we can get some form of support that we can give you some contribution where you can help out. Yeah?
I really appreciate it, yeah? That's right,
yeah, alright then, so we want to take it easy with them, alright?
Yeah, they are, you know, one day at a time, you know?
Yeah. One day at a time.
Not to be.
Yeah.
I got no one of these
Yeah.
Like I said, man, was in a bad place. You know the thing, bro. You know the thing, so I now have to chat it, bro. Man, I was hard working, man, bro. I like it. I mix up in a banger, yeah. You get what I say, bro?
Work and come in and everything,
Them thing,
and the people are nice girls, so
people don't get to know at all. You see me, bro?
Yeah.
Sometimes when I walk from trouble just I run from this, you know, bro. And I say I could have bad in a Kina, I not choose it, because you know what? I lose my father when I was 7-year-old, bro.
Yeah.
And I tell myself, so I don't want my little son from grow from those your father, bro. So I try my best to run from that, bro. And I said I worry for time when I influence me, I give me things for I say, yo, this is enough for me, bro. Look at work, bro. Here come people from do me this, not at all, bro. Not at all.
I got work in the youth, you know.
That's why when certain things happen to me, I want the doctor to tell me, just a vision say, yo, Father God really love me, really honor my time. Because I say, no youth are dead, no young youth are dead, just dead, bro. I mean, they are still alive, bro. You get what I say, bro? So, nobody just give God praise, bro. That me I say, when I get me a prank to God, I say, I'm just change me up and live my life to God, bro.
Yeah.
There's some mind there right now.
Just follow it then for that, yeah, feel just follow your mind and just do the right thing.
Yeah, bro, there's some mind there, bro. Right now, bro. Because even when I tell you this what the doctor tell me, kind of shake me up, bro. The whole day yesterday, me there, I me a take bro.
Okay, doctor say you're not supposed to still be alive. Yeah.
I'm a make it, bro. So brother say, yo, I'm a year time, it's a year time, you see me?
Yeah.
I don't care what people do, bro. And in a year time.
And a year time.
Yeah, bro. So what me about you right now, it's kind of rough, you know, bro, for mama and baby, you know, bro.
I understand, man.
Yeah, bro, my mama usually give me the real strength when me usually get it, you know, mama and baby, you know, bro. Me and God, you know, bro. Yeah, bro, I now one and one people around me do things to me, bro. Real people, real woman where you usually give me the real strength.
Yeah. She know the...
I just want to fight it, bro.
Yeah.
Don't put him on my son I live from. As I say, I reach a far away, so I can't get it, bro. You know what I say, bro?
Yeah.
I just life, bro. As your mom said, leave with the nature take it course, you see me? You see certain things, bro, man, you just try to let out. When you have people in your heart, bro, you want healings,
You have to let it go.
Hard for you to let go, you know, because you know what? Hard for man like me let it go, because you know why? You know why I never said it hard? You know, do nobody nothing. As I say, if me there in a badness and this happened to me,
To deserve that.
I would have complained. You get me? I said, but me not do nobody nothing, me never hurt nobody and people do me this. So that's why I say it's kind of hard to let go, but me I say, let it go, bro.
Let it go, yeah.
Just let it go, and try to move forward in my life, bro.
Yeah.
You know, so I just live, you see me, bro?
True. As we said, just follow your mind. If your mind tell you from the other day, say if you just give your life
I'm
to
only
God.
even one people, I tell even my granny sister, I tell me, bro. Yeah.
You can't do
Never
it,
just
man.
make up my mind fully, bro, and I say, yo, just give my life to God, bro. Even my family, them by my family, them got Spanish town. That them I tell me.
Just follow your intuition and follow your mind, how you feel, follow, you know, and just do the right thing. That's the case, that's the case, isn't it? Just follow what you have to follow. Yeah, I mean, when I said the viewers them I watch, I mean, a lot of them are going to put out the prayers for you, see me and just hope for the best. You know, and then we can see what can come from the situation, you know. So, the Almighty not sleep. You know, no pain, no cries. You know? So, yeah, you all know everything will go on. So, you might not hear an answer straight away, but trust me, work in progress. Work in progress.
Sometimes it slip me. Make it up, you get what me I say?
But the Almighty know that already.
And everybody perfect, you get what me I say?
You know that already, man. You already know your intention before you even think about your intention, you know. One thing for you know, the Creator already know your intention before you even think of your intention. So you don't feel like you know everything before you even make that decision, you understand? So I already know. So sometimes I just have to just follow the movement and don't make stubbornness hold back sometimes, you know? And just follow the movements. Yeah.
Father God, ever encourage me, you know.
Yeah.
You know, never come sit down here and reason with me, bro. Yeah, nah, let me know. Ever to see that God love me, you know. And care despite the situation that I'm in, you know.
Yeah.
I'm still alive. I still have better days in my body, so I just trust him and believe, you know, and I just keep my life in him.
Yeah.
Never encourage me, man.
Just do the right thing, man, you know? Just do the right thing, trust me. So guys, let me say, anything you can do, we appreciate it, you know? Really appreciate it. So, keep you posted, you know, and let you know what I want. Yeah?
And big thanks to the company.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I really appreciate it a lot, you know?
Yeah, man.
Can I run out to the
Yeah.
Nothing see, nothing a big, nothing
Don't look for the time.
You get me? Right on time. Yesterday, me and talk on the phone. Son of call me when meeting.
Alright, them are want to see it, yeah? Yeah, man.
Boom.
Yeah.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.